Now, Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is back in a Tel Aviv court to take the stand again. Netanyahu holds the record as the state of Israel's longest-serving Prime Minister. With his trial resuming, he has become the first-serving Israeli leader to take the stand as a defendant in a criminal case. Just a short while ago, Netanyahu returned to court for the second day of his testimony after he testified for almost 5 hours a day prior. He dismissed corruption charges against him as ridiculous in a court on Tuesday. He rejected the charges, saying there's no corruption, no fraud committed by him. He also lashed out at the media, saying most of the Israeli public was right-wing, but the media was 98% on the other side. Towards the end of his testimony, Netanyahu responded on the charge of receiving favorable coverage on the WION News website, owned by his close friend Shaul Alovich, in exchange for easing the way for a telecoms merger sought by him. In particular, prosecutors alleged that this scheme was agreed upon at a dinner in 2012 in which Netanyahu and his wife Sarah hosted Alovich. Netanyahu argued that there was no agreement, no bribery even after the dinner. He contended that Wallah at the time was extraordinarily adversarial towards him and that this did not improve over the next period of time. Hundreds of protesters and onlookers gathered outside the Tel Aviv courthouse on Tuesday. Many chanted for Netanyahu to be brought to justice, but some of his supporters called the allegations against Bibi false. Bibi is facing charges of bribery, fraud and breach of public trust in 3 separate cases. In the first case, Netanyahu and his wife Sarah are accused of accepting more than $260,000 worth of luxury goods such as cigars, jewelry and champagne from billionaire benefactors in exchange for political favors. The second case involves alleged attempts by the Prime Minister to reach a deal with publisher of a popular Israeli daily for better coverage by agreeing to weaken the status of a rival daily newspaper. While the third case is related to allegedly receiving favorable media coverage from the WION News site. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.